The organizers of the International Conference on AIDS and Sexually Transmitted Infections in Africa, ICASA, has called for the strengthening of health systems in Africa to enable them to deal with epidemics in the continent. They were speaking in Nairobi during a two-day visit to assess Kenya's bid to host the ICASA 2023 conference in a biannual event held to invigorate the war against AIDS. The National AIDS Control Council Chief Executive Officer Ruth Laibon said despite efforts to bring infections down, the virus was still spreading fast, especially among the youth.
And the assessment visit is for 2 days. We need to see all the stakeholders and see at which level are they committed to welcome more than 15,000 delegates across the world.
On the continent of Africa, you realize Society for AIDS in Africa is African, and for a very long time we have looked at donations from the other continents to take care of our issues. But this is the time when Africa comes out to take care of its own issues. We realize that only Africans know ourselves.
Making a commitment with other African countries on the issues of consolidating our demand. His Excellency the President manifesto is focusing on commodity security for health, and HIV is one of those issues that he has singled out as one of the areas that we must also look at: commodity security, TB and malaria.